All right, so this is going to be a more detailed explanation on how many centimeters square make 1 meter square. So first of all, if we remember from our you measurements, we know that 100 centimeters make 1 meter, right? Now let's have a square. Okay, we have the same square on both sides. So this square on the left and on the right, they're the same square. Now, if the length of this square is 1 meter by 1 meter, so everywhere is 1 meter. If you express this in centimeters, it's also this is going to be 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters. So everything is going to be 100 centimeters because 1 meter and 100 centimeters are equivalent, right? So let's write that. So 100 centimeters is equal to or equivalent to 1 meter. So if we're asked to find the area of this square, okay, the area of this square, remember that area of a square is length times length. So the area of this square will be 1 times 1, which is equal to 1 meter square. All right. 1 meter times 1 meter will give us 1 meter square. And what's the area of this square here? This will be 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters, which will give us, that's 4 zeros, that's going to be 10,000 centimeters square. So we can see that even though 100 centimeters is equivalent to 1 meter, however, 10,000 centimeters square will be equivalent to a meter square. Okay, so we can use that in different scenarios. So we can start something like this: 100 centimeter, so 100 centimeter square. Sorry, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So it means that 100 times 100 centimeter square. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, will be equal to 1 meter square. Okay, 100 times 100, that will be 10,000 centimeter square, which is equal to 1 meter square. And we can also use the same idea for the cube. All right, so how many centimeter cubes will be equal to a meter cube, which means that 100, because now we have length. If we talk about a cube, we have length, width, and height. So we have 100 times 100 times 100 centimeter cube equal to 1 meter cube. And what is 100 times 100 times 100? Just add the zeros together. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be 6 zeros, and that is a million. So it means a million centimeter cube will be equal to 1 meter cube. Okay, so that's how you can find, as long as you know, oh, okay, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. It's easy to find 100 a centimeter square, a meter square, um, centimeter cube, a meter cube. And you can also use this. Another way this is common, we see this in chemistry when we talk about dm cube. So volume, when we talk about volumes, dm cube. Okay, so dm cube is very common, and okay, so we know that 10 centimeters is equal to 1 decimeter, right? So how many centimeters cube will be equal to 1 dm cube? That will be 10 times 10 times 10 cm cube is actually equal to 1 dm cube. So 10 times 10 times 10, that will be 1,000. So 1,000 cm cube is actually equal to 1 dm cube. Okay, so as long as you know the linear one, you can always find the ones with squares and cubes and all that. So 1,000 cm cube is the same thing as 1 dm cube. So when you hear something like a flask, a cylinder or something, or a solution or something, a per dm cube, okay, yeah, you can always you can know that, oh, it's something as per 1,000 cm cube, stuff like that. So I hope this helps, and have a nice day. Thank you.